Crockpot chicken gnocchi soup. To your crockpot, add your carrots, onions, celery, Italian seasoning, basil, salt, pepper, garlic, and chicken broth. Go ahead and mix that together well. Then add your chicken and make sure that it is covered by the liquid. Place your lid on your crockpot and cook on high for 4 hours or low for 6. Remove the lid and shred the chicken using 2 forks, or I like to use a whisk like this. Now that the chicken is shredded, go ahead and add 1 can of evaporated milk to your crockpot, and then the other can add to a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix that together with the evaporated milk well before adding it to the crockpot. Mix the evaporated milk well with the other ingredients in the crockpot. Next, go ahead and add your gnocchi. Mix in the gnocchi well and make sure that any pieces that are stuck together are broken apart. And then next you're going to add in your spinach. You can use fresh or frozen. I just prefer frozen. And then go ahead and mix that in well. Place your lid back on your crock pot and let it cook for another 30 to 45 minutes. Full recipe is in description below. Follow for more recipes.